Back with another Descript update video. Today, version 84. The first new feature is an AI action they're calling Find All Highlights. And the idea is that this will find and create highlights in your script of all the key areas related to the topic being discussed. And to use it, as with all AI actions, you'll come up here to the actions bar. You'll come down, you'll click on it, come down to Ask AI, click on that. And here's the prompt, find all highlights. I'll just go ahead and click on it. And again, this uses a ChatGPT backend, so you're just prompting it in plain English. So feel free to tweak the prompt to your specific needs, but this is what it puts in here by default, find all highlights in this video that collectively cover all its key topics. And then you'll just hit this button to send it. AI is thinking. And here's what it found. Here's what it identified as key highlights. And you can review these. You can run the prompt again by clicking start over, or you can click select in script, and you can see it made those highlights in my video. And I haven't reviewed these for quality, but you get the idea how this could be useful if you have like a very long meeting or a very long interview, and you could have this identify key highlights for you. And over here on the right, it broke it down into search results as well. It found 15 different places that it identified as highlights. The second update with version 84 is another AI edit action. And I've made videos in the past about the edit for clarity and remove retakes features, but now you can use the Ask AI feature to delete the retakes that it found. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this box from our first example. I'm gonna come back to AI actions. I'm gonna drop down to Ask AI. And these very top two are the remove retakes and edit for clarity. I'm gonna go ahead and select edit for clarity. So I'll just click on that. And here's the prompt that it has. Edit this down to remove any speech disfluencies, repeated sections, and tangents that distract from the core ideas. I'm gonna hit send. And there's what it found. It crossed out some words. And I can click apply edits to script. And let's see where, there it is. It struck them out. And now that it's identified those areas that it wants to get rid of, it's stricken them out, it's ignored them, in other words. You can click on this continue editing with AI once again. And here's what's new about this, is this accept all deletions. And if I click on that, now they are deleted from my transcript. And that's it. This is the smallest update we've seen in a long time. And those two Ask AI updates are the only new things this week. Of course, they released a bunch of bug fixes and minor things, but I won't go into those. So see you next time.